This is Dan. Dan wants to start a prairie dog farm, but it is against the law. What can he do? One day, Dan mentions his issue to his neighbor, Bill. Bill tells Dan about North Dakota Farm Bureau and encourages him to attend the county resolutions meeting. At the county resolutions meeting, the following resolution passes. We believe residents of our county should be able to own prairie dogs. The resolution is brought before the district resolutions meeting and is adopted. Next, it is debated at the North Dakota Farm Bureau annual meeting during the House of Delegates. The delegates like the resolution so much they amend it to read, "We believe it should be legal to own prairie dogs in the state of North Dakota." The next step is getting a bill passed in the North Dakota legislature to make owning prairie dogs legal. Let's see what happens to Dan's resolution through the legislative process. NDFB lobbyists find Senator Flickertail to introduce a bill making it legal to raise prairie dogs in North Dakota. Legislative Council drafts the bill and it is assigned a number. Senate Bill 2213 is assigned to the Senate Agriculture Committee. The hearing is held, and after much testimony, the committee gives the bill a due pass recommendation. The bill goes back to the Senate for a vote. The bill is debated and passes on the Senate floor. The bill is sent to the House, assigned to a House committee, receives a hearing, and is amended to include more wild species. The Senate votes do not concur with the House amendments. 3 members of the Senate and 3 members of the House are appointed to a conference committee to hash out the differences. Members of the conference committee agree to only include prairie dogs in the bill. The bill passes both chambers and heads to the governor for a signature. Bad news for Dan! The governor vetoes Senate Bill 2213. If the legislature wants the bill to pass, both houses must override the veto. The Senate first hears the bill. They vote to override the governor's veto. The House does the same, but with a closer margin. The governor's veto is overridden. Dan is overjoyed. He makes plans to begin his prairie dog farm on August 1st, when the new law goes into effect. The end.